Hey guys, it's Mars. So I'm gonna combine these two shirts. This is something I've been wanting to do for a little bit, only with sweatshirts or crew necks. I probably will do that, but I just haven't had the right kind of patterns to combine them with. So I just thought this was like perfect. It's just solid white with grid, and it just kind of looks cool. So when you do this, it's really simple, really just like you're cutting a half of one shirt and sewing it onto another, and then you can actually make two. So at the end of this video, I'll just show you the other one. I didn't really sew it for this video, but the other one is kind of cool too. Yeah, so enjoy.